SOLIDWORKS CAM can assist you in getting the perfect code out to the machine tool every single time. SOLIDWORKS CAM is included in every seat of SOLIDWORKS on subscription and is perfect for 2.5 axis. But if you're looking for 3 axis, even 4 and 5 axis indexing, SOLIDWORKS CAM Professional can help us get there. Going back to the thruster assembly for Square Robot, I've got a program set for the flat plate mounting bracket, and the default stock bounding box is perfectly fit. 2021 allows predefined bounding box, giving me the ability to represent any stock material I choose. I can even save, update, and share the stock through the technology database. With automatic feature recognition, an initial strategy is generated without any further input. The toolpath SOLIDWORKS came up with on its own looks pretty good. But let's take a deeper look at this one drill operation, and we can now define Peck parameters with respect to the tool diameter or fruit length. You've also got control over the individual point-to-point operations. Since my drill operation has some custom setup, I'm going to save that setting to our technology database for later use. This makes sure that I am never making the same clicks twice. Anything I customize here can be shared across the network, from tooling to individual operations to parameters, and so now everyone in the shop is going to benefit and use the best techniques. Since this is SOLIDWORKS after all, we expect the update whenever we change the design or the stock to be switched out, and SOLIDWORKS does this with ease. Only a prompt for rebuild is presented. All features needing to be rebuilt are updated immediately, and my program preventing some potentially costly mistakes and crashes. And for posting the code, the default post folder keeps everything streamlined. When working between multiple machines or when the folder locations are changed, that location can be saved in the technology database to standardize across all programmers. With the technology database customized, all I need to do is pick my stock, recognize my features, and I'm ready to post. Expanded stock options, enhanced drill operations, and control over standardization all make SOLIDWORKS CAM more powerful than ever before.